Creating this type of Nigeria epic movie like this is very simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do so. But first, let's watch it together and see how the movie is.
My king, it is time. Your time is up.
You dare come to my palace to warn me? Remember, you are not too big for me to crush.
He whom the gods want to kill, they first make him mad.
Now, I know you are so amazed with the video you just watched right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're also going to create it and achieve this type of result. And it's free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. All you just have to do is just to follow the method I'm going to be showing you right now in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, let's get started. So for me to be able to create that kind of epic movie you just watched, all I have to do first, I have head over to ChatGPT. I always use ChatGPT to write my video script. So what you need to do on ChatGPT is to tell ChatGPT how you want your video to be. Your video idea, just tell ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write through the video idea, analyze the video idea, and ChatGPT is going to do it. Now, as you can see what I write here, I say it should start by camera viewing the village from far away, sky showing the village forest, also the village king palace where a young lady of 20s both feet shows in the ground with the mask. So you can just write your video idea how you want the video should be. This is what I write to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT first gave to me. Yes, ChatGPT gave me this reading the video script. All you just have to do, just tell ChatGPT your video idea and ChatGPT is going to write it for you. So after ChatGPT writes all this to me, I read it out and I was not satisfied with what ChatGPT gave to me. I was not satisfied. So after reading everything, I was not satisfied. I have to tell ChatGPT again. I say, please try and add Nigeria in each scene so that AI will understand and also maintain consistent character. So because I was not satisfied, I was trying to generate the movie and it was sounding somehow, it looked somehow. I'm going to show you, don't worry. So I went ahead and ChatGPT gave me this. As you can see, it gave me this. This is the first scene, as you can see, where the girl was the native doctor, that is the village spirit seer. This is it. This is how ChatGPT gave me everything, and this is how ChatGPT gave me these things. And after I also read this again, I was so little satisfied. So I also added ChatGPT again. I say you did not add image to video prompt. So there should be image prompt also on each scene, maintaining consistent character. So you just need to tell ChatGPT how you want it. And at the end of the day, ChatGPT gave me this prompt and I read it. I was so satisfied with it. I like the prompt. So the next thing I did was to head over to this new AI tool. I use this AI tool to generate my image. So make sure you pay attention very well. Make sure you pay attention very well, because a lot of you, they don't watch video to the end. You watch little and you forward the video, and at the end of the day you don't get everything done right. So this is our first image prompt. As you can see, image prompt here, video prompt here, and the sound. As you can see, everything comes with the script, with the video scene. Now I use this AI tool here and it is called, as you can see, this is the name here, it is called Whisk. As you can see, it is called Whisk. So this is how I generate all my image. I generate all the image. Now for the first scene ChatGPT gave to me, which I tried, this is what it gave to me. This is it here. Now these are all the images I generated using this AI tool. I use this AI tool to generate all the video image you saw. I use this AI tool to generate it. So all I have to do was to head over to ChatGPT, and when I get to ChatGPT, I was generating the image one by one. I was generating it one by one. Let me show you how you can also do so using this AI tool. All you just have to do is just to head over to your browser, and when you reach your browser, you go and open this AI tool. It is called Whisk, and you register. After you register, the next thing you do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. The first scene. This is our first scene here. Let's copy this. After copying, as you can see, we click on copied. After copy, we move to this AI tool, and this is it. We paste our prompt here. As you can see, you click on paste and you click on generate. Make sure you select your resolution. As you can see, landscape, that is how I want it. Then you click on generate. After you click on generate, you give it some minutes for you. A minute. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to generate the image. Now this is the image it generated for us. As you guys can see, this is the two image it generated for us. Anyone you like among of these, you can just click on save, and you can save it to your phone. That is all you just have to do. Anyone you like up here, you can just click on it and you save it to your phone. Now after you save the image, the next thing you are going to do is to generate another second image again. Now we go back to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. As you can see, we come back to the second scene. As you can see, then you copy a human barefoot here. Then you copy and you go back to the AI tool again. You paste your prompt here again. As you can see, you paste your prompt and you click on generate. And when you click on generate, when you check up here, it's generating the image here. So you just have to give it some second, and it's going to generate the image for you. So this is the method you are going to use to generate all the image scene. Now this is the image again. This is it. As you can see, this is the image. You can check it out. Anyone you feel like using, you can just check it out and you download it to your phone. So this is how you are going to do it. As you can see, this is it here again. You check it out, you download it to your phone. So anyone you feel like using, you download it. So that is how you are going to do, and you are going to generate all the entire image scene. So this is the method I use to generate all the image scene. The next thing you are going to do is to convert all the image scene to video. And to do this, all you have to do is to head over to your ChatGPT again. After you successfully generate all the image, you head over to ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the scene 1. And when you check scene 1 here, we have image to video prompt. So now we are copying image to video prompt, and we are head over to Grok AI. If you have been following my channel for a long time, I usually talk about Grok AI, how you can use Grok AI to generate your videos. Now let's go back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI already. This is Grok AI. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back here. Then we click on upload, and when we click on upload, we check where our file is, and we upload any of the image we downloaded. We upload the image, and after we upload the image, we go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and we copy the prompt. As you can see, we copy the prompt with the sound. As you can see, with the sound. After we copied, we go back to Grok AI and we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. Then after we paste it here, then we click on generate, and we generate our video. So that is how the method I use to generate all the image to video prompt. As you can see, everything here. As you can see from beginning, as you can see, this is the village, this is the home feed. As you can see, where she was walking to the palace. As you can see, I've already have the prompt, so the only thing I need to do is just to generate all the image. So as you can see, and this is how everything was done. This is how everything was done, how I generated everything. As you can see, how I generated everything. So you can also do this on your own. Just generate the video and it's going to look nice. So after you successfully create all the video scene, all you have to do is to head over to any video editing tool. You can use CapCut or any video editing tool you like using, and you go and edit the video. You match everything together, you add your own sound, everything, you add it together, and the video is going to look nice, just like the one you watched a moment ago. But if you try it, it does not work, you let me know in the comment section of this video any challenges you are facing. You let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to explain much better. And if you need the prompt of that video which I just talked about, and if you need the prompt, any prompt you need, you let me know. I'll also leave those prompts on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video, so you can go and check it out and get those videos prompt. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when it's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.